This is Kenny with Nick's Flooring and Design, and I just want to walk everyone through the process that we use to be able to have success to avoid having these nosings fall off when we do these stair treads with the vinyl plank. And the first thing that we do is we take the denatured alcohol and we run that denatured alcohol across the stair here and across here, okay? And then the next step we do is we will use the PL 3 times stronger. It is a urethane construction adhesive. If you read the directions on this glue, it will tell you that you have to wet. So I have a wet rag here with a lot of water, and we wet, saturate this nosing as well as this edge right here before we glue this nosing in. And we won't wipe the water off, we just get it nice and damp like that. And that's what gives the glue the strength to hold this nosing in place. And that's how you do vinyl plank nosings. If you have any more questions, give us a call at Nick's Flooring and Design.
843-645-1649.